Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to my new series called 5-Minute Craft Busters. Basically, I'm just going to try to combat a lot of my scraps. Did I say craft busters or scrap busters? Scrap busters, if I didn't say that correctly. But yeah, my goal this year is to try to combat some of all of my scrap. So I'm just going to make some like super easy stuff. So today we're going to be making some of these little snippets, and basically we're just taking scrap papers. Some of them are scraps, some of them are like coffee dyed scrapbook paper that I haven't really used, or just like cut-offs and stuff, you know, double-sided scrapbook paper and whatever. So book pages, stuff like that. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. So basically, literally all I'm doing, and something that you can do is you can combine, and you don't have to, you can combine them, or you can just use them as they are. I'm just going to like put this on top of here in the middle, and I'm going to be stitching these, but first I think I want to like bend it into the shape that I want it in. And then I'm just going to go through and stitch it afterwards. I just want to get like a few of them already in their position. And then we're just going to stitch them together. And it only takes about 5 minutes to make one. But I want to make several. But I'm not going to make this video like super long. So I'm just going to glue this. And you might have to hold it. You don't have to stitch. You can glue, and you can just, you know, leave it like that. Maybe you could put like a bead of stickers or something going down the middle. Like, matter of fact, let me just get some and show you what I'm talking about. You could maybe put some like if you didn't want to stitch these, you could maybe put some stick, whatever you call these, little stickers on there, which kind of holds it in place. If I can get this to stay down. And I'll use this as an example. And that kind of helps it stay in place, putting this little, these stickers on here. So I'll just leave this one as is without stitching it. But the rest of them I think I will stitch. And even when you do stitch, you can still do that. And these will look good in your journals and things like that. So I'm just going to make, I'm just going to combine a couple of these. And I'm going to stitch some. And hopefully it's not going to take me any more than about 5 minutes. So. Okay, so what I kind of like to do is I'll go ahead and I'll stitch one, and I'll leave the strings connected and just feed each other, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now that these are all stitched, they're all connected, and all you have to do is just snip them apart. And basically you've got yourself some snippets, some little trims and things that you can put on your journals and whatnot. Super easy, 5 minutes. Make it out of your scraps, old book pages, different stuff. I might cut this down because it's a bit long. But yeah, you use whatever you have, scraps, just whatever you have laying around. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And every week I'm gonna try to bring you some little 5-minute, quick and easy scrap busters so that you can use some of your scraps. So once again, thanks for watching and happy crafting.